Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix sponsor request limit reach on cache. Right, so if you're just facing this issue, make sure I have mentioned each and everything here. The reason for the limit is cache has a limit on the numbers of sponsorship requests, right? So under this time frame you can just send limited numbers of sponsorship, or you can just get a request account like that. Now, the second thing is age restriction. It should be around 13 to 17. Must have a parent or guardian sponsor their account, which can affect the request process. The account status, if your account has a restriction or it is not in a good standing, this may also prevent you from sending requests. Now, to fix it, you have to just wait till the time frame just time passes and a new limit will set up, and automatically this will allow the limit to reset. Right, make sure if you're avoiding, then there will be no problem. But if you're under 18, make sure you have ensure that you're using a parent or guardian as a sponsor. Right, now third thing is that delete previous record. If you have a pending sponsor request, consider cancel them, and maybe you will able to receive it instantly the new request. If you're unable to resolve this issue, you can always contact the customer support and they will surely help you out. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.